In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Microsoft Outlook. By the end, your Outlook calendar will be connected to Calendly for automatic conflict checking, and the Calendly add-in will be ready in Outlook so you can use it while composing emails. Start by opening your web browser and signing into your Calendly account. Once you're in, head to your account settings. Look for Calendar Connections, or, depending on the layout you see, find Integrations apps. Both paths take you to the same place where Calendly manages calendar connections. Under the Calendar section, find Outlook Calendar. You might also see it listed as Office 365 or Outlook.com. Click Connect. A Microsoft sign-in window will appear. Sign in with your Outlook or Microsoft account and review the permission prompts. Click Accept to allow Calendly to check your calendar for availability and to add events on your behalf. It's a good idea to make sure you're choosing the same account you use in Outlook, especially if you juggle multiple profiles. Next, set your primary calendar. This tells Calendly which Outlook calendar to check for conflicts and where to place new events that are booked through your scheduling links. If you have several calendars in Outlook, pick the one that truly reflects your schedule. You can adjust this later if your workflow changes. Now let's install the Outlook add-in so Calendly is available right inside Outlook. Open Outlook. This works in the new Outlook, Classic Outlook for Windows, and Outlook on the web. In the desktop app, look for More Apps, then select Add Apps, or click Get Add-ins. In Outlook on the web, you'll find Apps or Get Add-ins from the toolbar. In the Microsoft App Source window, search for Calendly for Outlook. Select it, click Add or Install, and follow the prompts to sign into your Calendly account so the add-in can link to your settings. If the add-in doesn't appear immediately, don't worry. Save your work, close Outlook, and reopen it. That quick restart usually completes the installation. Now compose a new email. You should see the Calendly icon on the top ribbon, ready to use whenever you're sharing availability or scheduling time. That's it. You connected your Outlook calendar to Calendly for automatic conflict detection, set the primary calendar for new events, and installed the Outlook add-in so Calendly is just a click away while you write emails. Thanks for watching.